Up at the low. I'll shift. Take a shift out. I thought you was in bad flight, now to take off. I made a paper plan and threw it in the air and watch it disappear, then reappear. It slowly land there. Childhood aspirations, it was all a dream. Sunshine is the meme. You reach for the sun. If you fall, you land on the moon. One afternoon, bro, I mean really. I believe I can fly just like R. Kelly. Head above belly, heavenly is the dawn. We're flying over Rome, heading to Dubai. Rastafari Island, Heights-Al Shiffai. 31,000 feet in the air was the alibi. About to touch down after takeoff.
Flight is reaching higher. Flight is reaching higher. Flight is reaching higher. Flight is reaching higher. Flight is reaching higher.
When I accelerate, vroom past the speed of sound. Second spaceship, vroom past the speed of light. Since mastery no limit like Master P, we wave past the air, massage the atmosphere. 360 degrees for those who stare. Pilgrimage to the Kaaba, in the Merkaba. Viens ici, viens là-bas. Highest height commercial plan, 42,000 feet, so I shoot higher. Higher shift fire, lonely at the top. Mount Sinai, in the altitude. Moses first heard the voice of the Most High.
Flight is reaching higher. Flight is reaching higher. Flight is reaching higher. Flight is reaching higher. Flight is reaching higher.
It's my grind, my hustle.
My struggle is not like your struggle.
You hear my life, my troubles.
My day is not like your night.
What's right, what's wrong? My wrong is not like your right. Sit tight, upright. Flight is reaching higher heights.
Flight is reaching higher.
Unshift.
Flight is reaching higher.
Faster.
Flight is reaching higher.